Whoa, dude, look at all these sick boats.
Are you sure we're making the right decision?
I mean, they're pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. Sick, brand new, warranty. You know.
Look at this engine. Look at the gel coat. I mean, this is so freaking nice. I'm gonna look like the coolest dude at the sandbar ever.
Yeah, but what's a new one of these cost?
I don't know. This is probably 150 grand, and you get a loan, and you just get a loan.
Yeah.
And you finance it, and you just go to town, enjoying life, and you just pay to play. It's what you're supposed to do.
I don't know. I mean, it's slick. It's probably got Seakeeper ride. It's got brand new sound system. Looks dope. Wifey's gonna love it. It's got
she's gonna love it, dude.
Yeah.
It's got the forward seating already. It's it.
Yeah.
And all my friends are gonna be like, whoa, he has that expensive boat.
I don't know about that payment though. You trying to live that life?
Yeah, I got no truck payment now. I got just one car payment.
I mean, it's dope. But 150
it's not
grand.
A big deal, but
What's up with the Angler? Where are we at money wise?
I don't know. I'm probably gonna have I think I priced out the Seakeeper ride today, the tower, the bracket that we wanted to do.
Yeah.
And so far, just those, I'm at, I don't know, with the motor, probably 45 grand after the fuel tank and electronics.
I mean, 45 grand, 22-foot boat, 150 grand, 22-foot boat.
Well,
is the way I'm looking at it.
For 150 grand, I could probably get like a 25-foot boat, but we were going to put the bracket on it.
Right,
And
so it'll be a
that's gonna
25.
Be like a 25-foot boat.
I don't know, bro.
I don't know.
I feel
Let's
like-
just check these out a little bit and see what we think
All right.
before we make a big money decision.
All right. They're kind of sick. And, I mean, that name brand
I just wish
is
I
nice.
had like a sign that was saying like, "Do it,"
Yeah,
or "Buy this."
for sure.
And that would be pretty cool if like somebody could just like something to just like tell us like this is it.
Yeah, come check this boat out over here. I kind of saw it, and I think you might like it. And it's kind of like, if we are going to just bail out on the Angler, we may as well check this one out.
Okay. Whoa, look at this boat. It's got everything I want. What do you think, Austin?
It's all about choices, Orion. In one hand, I have a restored boat for a quarter the price of a new one. Family fun to be had and knowledge to be gained. And in the other hand, I have shiny gel coat and crippling debt only a boomer could afford. Your choice, but remember, every decision will affect every single aspect of the matrix. From how well your children will succeed to the legacy you decide to leave behind. It's your choice, Orion. You are the chosen one.
Whoa. How do you know?
It's obvious. We've all known, all along.
You think it's the right move to restore the Angler to its fullest and make it better than a brand new boat?
There is no other way.
You hear this?
Let's go. I have many things to teach you and many things to show.
I'm not gonna be able to make you. I'll just leave it. Clearly, we're the chosen ones.
And we will spare no expense.
We cannot seem to take a break from this project. A couple minutes ago, the guy that was coming to buy my motor called me and said, can I be there in 20 minutes? He was supposed to show up yesterday, but that's cool because we got a lot of other stuff done yesterday. So called up Aust and he came over at the drop of a hat there, however you say it, and we're just going to get it set up for him to be here. He wants to run compression, scope the motor, and make sure it is tight and right. Got our battery, got the replugged in the key switch. I got the other part for the harness up in the boat, and yeah, I mean, he's getting a pretty good deal here. Oil transfer tank with pump. Cowling's in great shape. I'm gonna give him the batteries if he wants them. And the motor runs great. Brought the hose over so we could pop it off, fire it up first for him, and we'll go to town. You guys were wondering about that fuel. Looks like some of those nasty wasps liked it.
But it is evaporating.
It is evaporating pretty good. Yes. Okay. It'll be super fun once we have this off the back of the boat because we're going to be with a totally bare hull.
We're getting a bracket.
Getting a bracket, I guess. Still undecided. Have to relocate drain plugs, all that kind of fun stuff. And then, well, the tank's being built. We're going to do fiberglass repair. I'm going to show you guys how to do some fiberglass repair our way, because I'm sure everyone has their own way. And we're going to wet sand and polish out the hull. The tank's going to take about 2 weeks, and we can't stop for 2 weeks.
Nothing stops this train.
No, leave it. It's all good. It's all good. I don't want him. I don't want to run it. I want it to be straight up, fresh. Where are those going to drain to, dude?
The bracket's like hollow underneath. This will be.
That'll be great if that's the case. Yeah, you're right. That's because it's going to go where the motors mount. These are going to be no biggie, I guess. Hopefully it goes above them.
And we can drill the aluminum.
No.
If it's
Powder coated. I'd rather not.
Drill, baby, drill.
That would be easy to relocate. Because those we could, if we filled these, we could drill the drains going down and then out here.
Yeah.
All right. He's here and he's letting me film, but he doesn't want to be in the camera. He's a little gun shy. Just turn the water on. We'll see if my boat in a box method works to fire it up. All right. Ready? Let's see if it fires up with the harnesses plugged the way they are.
Wasp and made a nest inside of the telltale.
This is John's boat. He's the guy that sold me my Checkmate and the big green truck over there. Pretty badass with a totally custom Pro Max. It's got a real deal pad on the bottom. You can see that. But everything the guy has is like super cherry, and he likes working on boats, and he's building a pro line right now. That's wide open.
Okay. Fire in the hole.
This is a kill switch.
Outboard holds its position. Yeah, it's got a telltale. It's the best way, otherwise you're fucked.
Yeah, you gotta
Just
just
sit there and try to read it. So that's 130, that's 140, that's 150. So it is 126. Let's get a piece of paper, write down 6, and this is upper left, and put down 126.
All right, we're off. Hooked up on the Chevy, headed to John's. And he said he can take the motor off and de-rig it in 43 minutes when I asked him approximate time. So just got other stuff to do today, and we don't have all day to hang out, and we want to make some other progress. So we'll give you a little bit of visual on the pluck with the cherry picker that he's got, or whatever he has. And
He's got a big gantry, I think.
should be cool. Plus he's got a lot of cool toys and shit to look at over there. So see you in a few.
Okay, we made it. See how clean I got it? Inside, I don't know if you got to see it, John. We really,
Oh, you know what I was thinking of?
we stripped her.
What about 2 tanks?
Yeah, I could have. I gave the guy my old tank already.
Okay.
I got the guy up. There's a guy in Venice that called Sunrise Marine Tanks.
Is he going to make it out of aluminum again?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So it was 52'd on the back, and we used the pry bar and broke it free. And really, oh, that's weird.
No, it's caulk because they filled the void so it
and
wouldn't
it-
corrode.
The paint came with it. I was like, what is that, a
It's all
zinc?
rubber.
Cool. Okay. Yeah, I think when you hit this, it
Quarter-inch here.
somehow transfers oil to fill that.
Okay. So if you were bleeding something or changed something, you could.
No, it's like if I don't know, it does something with the oil. Time for a celebratory brewski. Sold the motor. John brought his bore scope and compression tool. We ran it, scoped every single cylinder on the motor, and he said it looked like it was very low hour because you could still see the cross hatching in it. And I sold it to a friend. Gave him a friend discount, $2,500 for the motor. Had it on Marketplace for $3,900, I think, or $3,500. But him and I have done some deals in the past together, and it worked out nice. So yeah, after selling the hardtop, selling the motor, now my nightmare is a free nightmare. And the out-of-pocket starts basically today. I'm getting the final quote on the fuel tank. And then from there, I got to decide, am I putting an Armstrong bracket on the back or just a jack plate? Because that's a huge cost. No matter what, I want a jack plate. So it's, do I want an Armstrong bracket and the jack plate? And that bracket is about $4,500. And then I have to have a tower. It's like a must on my next boat, I said. And those are my 2 main wants here. The rest, relatively inexpensive stuff, other than the electronics and the tower, which I already mentioned the tower. And then yeah, I gotta put a $30,000 motor on. But all in all, my $40,000 number is increasing every day with all of my wants and needs. Well, they're all wants. I don't need a new 300. I don't need a tower. But I have to have all that stuff on my new boat because every other boat I've had all the cool stuff, and it's what I need to have on it to make it something I want to keep for a couple years. And that's really the main plan with this, is to build a boat I want and that I want to keep, so that I don't go spend 200 grand on the next boat or whatever. And to show you guys that redoing a boat is kind of a fun, not kind of, it's a very fun project. It gives you something to do when you're not doing anything else. And it goes as fast as you want it to go. Stay tuned and check in every week for a new update video on here. Do me a favor and give me the thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. It all helps out in the end. And just kind of lets me know that you want to see more of the content that I'm filming. Peace out.